Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra and welcome to CollaboNation. Today's video is called CollaboNation because there are so many people in this collab, and today we're doing a palette bingo with the Paulina palette from Blush Tribe. This right here is truly why I broke my no-buy. I wanted this palette, it came back. It wasn't supposed to come back, it was limited edition, but it did come back. I wanted this palette and I got invited to do this massive collab and I just couldn't say no. It solidified my decision to disband with my no-buy. So now you know. The secret's out. And overall, this collab is just about supporting each other, lifting each other up in the beauty community, disbanding with no drama. In fact, the hashtag No Drama Squad was going around for a little while in the group chat. Also, this is a little surprise, or a big surprise, for Paulina herself. We all love her so much. That's why a lot of us support her by buying the palette, as well as viewing her amazing content on YouTube. So, surprise Paulina, if you're watching this. I love you and I love your content. So the rules for this bingo are that we are all to use the Paulina shade because today is all about celebrating her and celebrating a positive and supportive beauty community, and then we are going to draw 4 random numbers to go with that shade. Also, for pre-ordering the palette, I did get the Paulina glitter from Blush Tribe. It's a beautiful greeny gold shade, so if I can incorporate this, I'm a little scared about loose glitter, I will do that. So I have my iPad here because I film on my phone, and we're going to draw 4 numbers. Number 7, I have to write them down or I'll forget before we're even done. Number 8. Number 9. So the 8 is Paulina, so we have to scratch that one. Oops. Alright, so number 9. We'll draw 2 more. We already have 7. We already have 9. We already have 7. We already have 9. 8 is Paulina. 3, finally. And number 1. Alright, party people, we are going straight into the shade Paulina. I forgot to say, I apologize, that the creators of this challenge and this collaboration are Kitty J and Give Me Lippin' More, and it's been really cool because I feel like we've become friends, all of us, over the last couple of months. We talk a lot in the DM over, the group DM over on Instagram, and we even had to, not we, like I did anything, but we as a group had to create a Facebook page for the collab because we couldn't add any more people to the Instagram message because there were too many people. So I just think that is so cool. My friend Anya Stamper, who is also in this collaboration, she and I have a monthly series called Inspired By, in which we also try to bring positivity and support to the smaller beauty community, and we feature creators that we find inspiring, whether it be Instagram or YouTube, and we recreate or create the vibes of a look that they've done. Alright, next shade on the outer V is Aubergine. I love this color. It is so pretty. Definitely unique to my collection, in my opinion, and that's all that matters. So, I also wanted to mention that this is my first impression with the Paulina palette. I saved it for this collaboration. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see 3 looks 1 palette with this palette, because I would love to do that. And since it's come back in stock for people to purchase, maybe you want some inspiration if you're planning to order this. So I'm just trying to deepen this outer V really well before I go in with the darker purple metallic called Salma. Speaking of, what a nice person. The shade Sully was broken when I received it originally, and I was able to just press it back in there with my fingers, no problem. It doesn't feel loose or anything like that. You know, it's swatchable, it's usable, and I had just, you know, contacted Selma to let her know, just in case it was like a packaging issue or something like that. I really wasn't looking for a replacement palette, but she did return my email, and at that point she said, you know, that there was already a replacement on the way to me. Fantastic customer service, super pleasant person to correspond with, you know, apologetic, whatever. If you're not familiar with Blush Tribe, like, this package, this palette had to come from the UK. It traveled a long, long way to belong to me. I just really wanted to mention it because I wanted to mention, you know, what fantastic customer service that she had. So far, so good. Time to go in with this deep royal purple shade called Salma. But first, glitter glue. I really hope that CollaboNation does more collaborations after this. I just think that would be so fun. I love when little groups of creators hook up on YouTube and do, you know, regular collabs together. I just think that's so cool. I'm gonna go ahead. So yeah, I would definitely love to collab with all of these people again. There's so many talented folk in this collaboration. Alright, and then for the inner part of the lid, we're going into the shade Sully. And swatched out on my hand, it looks very turquoise, although in the pan next to the green, it looks more green. I'm going to spray this puppy right off the bat. Oh, baby. That is gorgeous. Bring this up as I frequently do. I feel like this has just got a little bit of a lifting effect on my eye. Mannered. That is gorgeous. I really like how this shade layers over the purple. Back into Salma. I hope I'm saying that right. Salma. Damn, I hate mispronouncing people's names because people mispronounce my name, Kyra, all the time. And I don't hate it. Like, I honestly just expect it now. I'm wondering how many of you have names that are harder to pronounce or that people mispronounce all the time. And I realize that my first name, Kyra, is actually most commonly pronounced Kira. But my parents decided it was going to be Kyra. So, wow. I'm so impressed. I'm going to take just a little bit more of the purple Salma and make sure we have a nice blend here. I can't wait to see what everybody else gets, like the different color combinations. You guys definitely should go check out people's videos. Alright, so on the bottom I'm going to mimic the crease colors. I'm going to first go in with Aubergine and get that as close to the lash line as possible. And at the same time, I'm going to tap on the outer V of the lid and just make sure that this beautiful plummy shade is present. So we have a connection at the outer V. It's been a little while since I did a colorful look like this. I don't know what my problem is. I mean, I did some colorful looks with the Tasty Avocado palette, which at this point I'm not for sure I'm going to review because of the quality of the palette. I don't feel like I can recommend it, and I spoke on that in another video. Going back into Paulina very lightly and gonna diffuse that a little bit on the lower lash line. So yeah, I really can't recommend the quality of the Tasty Avocado palette from I Heart Revolution, which is really unfortunate because I love the shades in that palette, but the longevity of the palette, and you know, obviously it could just be me. It could be that it just doesn't want to stick on my eyes, although I don't generally have trouble with fading with eyeshadows after using primer potion and a lot of times glitter glue as well. And these shades just really faded on my eyes within 4 to 6 hours, and I just can't recommend that. Alright, we have used every shade except for the lime green called Friends. I'm going to pull out an oldie but a goodie, which is my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit of that on the inner corner. And now we'll go into Friends. Every time Paulina starts her video, she always says, "Hi friends!" And then you know something good is coming. My favorite series from Paulina is her Makeup and Murder, her true crime videos that she does while she does her makeup. Love those. I think I want to try to use this loose glitter. I think what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the NYX glitter glue on the back of my hand, or the side of my hand here, and I'm going to take a flat definer brush like this and kind of load the end of it with the glitter glue. And one thing I like to do is, you know, bring up the inner corner shade here. And so I'm going to place the glitter glue. This is all in theory. This may not work at all. Then I'm going to dip that sticky brush into the glitter. Holy moly. This is why I don't do this. And bring this up a little bit from the inner corner. There we go. Alright, it worked! In theory. Press it in a little bit. Alright. Second verse, same as the first. I am going to pop off of here and do some liner and mascara, and then I will come back for a lip and punch up this blush. Alright, I'm pretty sure I have glitter on my entire face, but that's alright. I am going to finish off this look with a very Paulina shade of lipstick. It's a teeny tiny guy left, but it's the NARS Velvet Matte lip pencil in the shade Let's Go Crazy. This is my signature color that I love to wear. Alright, I think that is so damn close to the Paulina shade. Let's look, shall we? I'm going to try out this Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Lip in the shade Crystal Clear. This is definitely kind of an iridescent lip gloss. Holy Barbie lips, Batman. Anybody else getting Barbie vibes. So here we go. This is the final look. I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm definitely happy with this palette. First impressions, all 5 of the shades that I used were stunning. I cannot wait to dive into Thingling right here and Angel over here. I am so excited for this palette. Well worth ending my no buy, as was this collab. So thank you to all the wonderful people, boys and girls, who are participating in this collaboration with me. I cannot wait to watch all of your videos. That's what I'll be doing while you're watching this. And thank you to Paulina for being a constant inspiration in not only your makeup and your content, but in your positive vibes that you put out into the beauty community. And with all of that said, I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful makeup days. And I will see you in my next video soon.